Think about the last time you walked into a beautiful modern kitchen. What was the very first thing that caught your eye? For most people, it's the kitchen island. In today's homes, the island has evolved far beyond being just an extra countertop. It's where we cook, eat, work, entertain, and connect with family. It's the centerpiece of the kitchen and in many ways, the heart of the home. And in 2025, kitchen islands are taking on bold new forms: sleek minimalist designs, multifunctional layouts, smart tech integration, luxurious stone finishes, and creative family-friendly styles. From compact solutions for small apartments to stunning custom islands that feel like sculptural art, there's a design trend for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top trending kitchen island designs of 2025, showing you how to combine function and style in ways that fit your space, lifestyle, and budget. So, if you've ever dreamed of upgrading your kitchen with an island that's both unique and practical, stick around, because you're about to get inspired. 1. Sleek minimalist islands. In 2025, minimalism is leading the way in kitchen design, and the island is the perfect place to showcase it. Minimalist islands are defined by clean, straight lines, flat panels, and hidden details. You won't see heavy handles or busy patterns here. Storage is built seamlessly into the design, so drawers and cabinets blend right into the surface. The result? A space that feels calm, uncluttered, and modern. Color is another big part of minimalism. Neutral shades like white, beige, light gray, and soft taupe dominate, creating a timeless backdrop. But for those who love bold statements, all black or charcoal gray islands are rising in popularity too. These dark tones, especially in matte finishes, add drama without being overwhelming. Another key element is material choice. Instead of glossy surfaces, matte stone or natural wood textures are being used, adding warmth while keeping things sleek. And many minimalist islands include integrated seating, a slim overhang for 2 or 3 stools, perfect for quick meals or casual conversations. The best part? Minimalist islands are ideal for small kitchens or apartments. They maximize style and function without taking up too much space. They prove that less really can be more. Simple design, maximum impact. 2. Multifunctional islands. Kitchens today are the heart of the home, and that means islands need to do more than one job. Enter the multifunctional island trend of 2025. These islands are designed to be the ultimate hub. Imagine preparing dinner while chatting with family seated on the other side, or hosting a game night where the island becomes the snack station. Some islands now come with integrated sinks, dishwashers, cooktops, or wine coolers, making them true all-in-one workstations. For families, the extended countertop often doubles as a dining table or home workstation. Parents can cook while kids work nearby, keeping everything connected in one space. For professionals, the island can even transform into a temporary office desk during the day. Storage is also smarter in these designs. From pull-out spice racks to hidden charging drawers for devices, multifunctional islands make sure every inch has a purpose. This trend is all about blending lifestyle and design. Whether you're cooking, working, or entertaining, a multifunctional island adapts to your needs, making it the true heartbeat of the modern home. 3. Statement stone islands. Now let's talk about making a statement, and nothing does it better than a stone kitchen island. In 2025, homeowners are embracing bold, natural materials like marble, quartz, and granite. But we're not talking about subtle, plain slabs. The trend is dramatic veining, deep contrasts, and unique colors that make the island the focal point of the kitchen. One of the most eye-catching features is the waterfall edge, where the countertop extends seamlessly down both sides of the island. It looks sculptural, almost like a piece of art sitting in the middle of the room. Another luxury touch is the use of thicker, chunky stone slabs, giving the island a strong, architectural presence. For a balanced look, many designers are pairing bold stone with wood cabinetry or metallic accents. Imagine a sleek white marble island with warm oak panels, or dramatic black granite accented with brass fixtures. These combinations create a perfect balance between luxury and warmth. A stone island doesn't just elevate the style, it adds a sense of timeless sophistication. It's the kind of centerpiece that instantly makes your kitchen feel like a high-end designer space. For few smart tech islands. Of course, we can't talk about the kitchens of 2025 without mentioning smart technology, and kitchen islands are becoming more intelligent than ever. Picture this. You set your phone down on the countertop, and it charges wirelessly while you chop vegetables. Or imagine having a built-in touchscreen display right on your island, where you can pull up recipes, watch cooking tutorials, or even control your smart oven and fridge, all without leaving your prep space. These islands also feature discrete power outlets, USB ports, and hidden charging stations. No more running across the room to plug something in. For cooking enthusiasts, high-tech islands can even integrate induction cooktops that blend seamlessly into the counter, almost invisible until turned on. And let's not forget about ambience. Many smart islands now feature LED lighting built into the sides or under the counter, creating a glowing effect that makes the kitchen feel futuristic and cozy at the same time. Smart tech islands are designed for convenience, efficiency, and style. They're perfect for homeowners who want their kitchen to be cutting-edge yet practical, a true blend of innovation and design. 5. Two-tone and mixed material islands. In 2025, designers are embracing contrast, and kitchen islands are becoming the perfect canvas for it. Two-tone and mixed material islands combine different finishes, colors, and textures to create a unique statement. For example, you might see a stone countertop paired with a wood base, or a sleek matte black island accented with warm brass details. Color contrast is also huge this year. Think dark navy bases with crisp white tops, or a natural oak base with bold black stone. These combinations bring depth and character, making the island feel like a custom-designed piece rather than a standard fixture. Even seating areas are being treated differently. An island may feature a stone prep area on one side and a wood dining surface on the other. This blend of materials doesn't just look stylish, it also helps separate functions, making the island more practical. Two-tone designs prove that your kitchen island doesn't have to match everything else in the kitchen. It can stand out and shine as its own design centerpiece. 6. Social and family-friendly islands. The kitchen isn't just about cooking anymore, it's about connection. That's why social and family-friendly islands are a top trend in 2025. These islands are designed with extended seating, sometimes wrapping around multiple sides, so family and guests can gather comfortably. They work as casual dining areas, homework stations, or even game night tables. Another big trend is adding a lowered or raised dining level extension to the island. This makes it easier for kids, elderly family members, or guests to sit at the right height without climbing onto tall stools. It turns the island into a welcoming space for all ages. Some family-friendly designs also include open shelving or display nooks for cookbooks, board games, or even kids' craft supplies, keeping everything within reach of daily life. These islands highlight the true spirit of the modern kitchen. It's not just a place to cook, but a place to connect, share, and create memories. 7. Compact and space-saving islands. Not every home has space for a massive kitchen island, but in 2025, smart compact and space-saving designs are making big style possible in smaller kitchens. One clever solution is the movable island on wheels. It provides prep space when needed, then rolls away to open up the room. Perfect for city apartments or smaller homes. Another space-saving idea is slimline islands, narrower designs that fit between counters without blocking walkways. These islands often come with vertical storage, such as tall shelving or pull-out racks, to maximize every inch. Some compact islands even feature foldable or extendable countertops. This means you can expand the surface when entertaining guests, then tuck it back in for everyday use. These designs prove that you don't need a huge kitchen to enjoy the benefits of an island. With smart design, even a small space can feel functional, stylish, and modern. 8. Luxury and custom statement islands. And finally, let's explore the luxury side of kitchen island design. Because in 2025, the island has truly become a statement piece. High-end kitchens are featuring sculptural island shapes with curved edges, asymmetrical lines, and even floating designs that look more like art installations than furniture. Materials also step up in luxury. Think onyx with built-in backlighting, glowing softly in the evening, or ultra-polished marble with gold veining. Some designs even integrate hidden storage and invisible appliances, so the island looks sleek and uninterrupted. Another standout feature is integrated lighting, LED strips under the counter or even inside glass panels that give the island a futuristic glow. For homeowners who want something truly unique, custom islands are designed as one-of-a-kind showpieces, tailored to fit their lifestyle and taste. Luxury islands are all about making a bold impression. They're not just functional, they're conversation starters, turning the kitchen into a high-end designer space. Wrapping up Kitchen Island Trends 2025. And there you have it, the top kitchen island designs for 2025. From sleek minimalist looks to bold stone statements, smart tech innovations, compact solutions, and even jaw-dropping luxury islands, there's truly something for every home and lifestyle. The beauty of these trends is that they're not just about style, they're about how we live. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, working, or just enjoying family time, the right island can completely transform your kitchen into a space that's functional, modern, and uniquely yours. So, which of these designs inspired you the most? Would you go for the clean simplicity of minimalism, the drama of a statement stone island, or maybe the warmth of a family-friendly design? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration and home styling tips. We've got plenty of exciting ideas coming your way to help you create the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.